Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly fascinating topic to delve into, the Nuremberg trials. Join us as we uncover unknown facts and unveil the untold stories that emerged from this historic event. The Nuremberg trials were a pivotal moment in history, where justice was sought for the atrocities committed during World War II. Prepare to be captivated as we uncover hidden details and shed light on the lesser-known aspects of these trials. Make sure to watch until the end, as you won't want to miss a single revelation. And, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave your thoughts and comments below. Let's get started. The Nuremberg trials hold a significant place in history, shedding light on the atrocities committed during World War II. These trials were held from 1945 to 1949, and their purpose was to bring justice to those responsible for war crimes and crimes against humanity. While the trials themselves are well documented, there are several unknown facts that often go unnoticed. In this part of the article, we will delve into these untold stories, unveiling the lesser-known aspects of the Nuremberg trials. One intriguing aspect of the trials is the unprecedented use of film as evidence. The prosecution relied heavily on documentary evidence, including photographs and films, to prove their case against the defendants. This was the first time in legal history that film was used as a primary source of evidence. The films showcased the horrific conditions in concentration camps, providing undeniable proof of the Nazi regime's brutality. These visual records played a pivotal role in exposing the truth and ensuring that justice was served. Another little-known fact is the role played by female prosecutors during the trials. While the majority of the legal teams consisted of male prosecutors and defense attorneys, there were a few notable exceptions. One such exception was Eleanor Roosevelt, the former First Lady of the United States. Although not directly involved in the courtroom proceedings, she played a crucial role in advocating for the trials and ensuring that they were conducted fairly. Her presence served as a symbol of women's empowerment and their fight for justice. The Nuremberg trials also witnessed the birth of the concept of crimes against humanity. Prior to these trials, there was no legal framework in place to prosecute individuals for crimes committed against a civilian population. The trials helped establish this fundamental principle, recognizing that the brutalities inflicted upon innocent civilians were not just acts of war, but violations of basic human rights. This groundbreaking development laid the foundation for future international criminal law and the establishment of the International Criminal Court. One particularly shocking revelation that emerged during the trials was the extent of medical experiments conducted by the Nazis. Infamous doctors such as Joseph Mengele and Karl Brandt conducted gruesome experiments on prisoners, ranging from infectious diseases to human experimentation. These experiments included forced sterilizations, castrations, and even surgeries without anesthesia. The testimonies of survivors brought these horrifying acts to light, exposing the depths of the Nazis' disregard for human life. In addition to the well-known defendants, such as Hermann Göring and Rudolf Hess, there were several lesser-known individuals who were also tried at Nuremberg. One such individual was Ilse Koch, the wife of Buchenwald concentration camp commandant Karl Otto Koch. Ilse Koch, dubbed the Bitch of Buchenwald, was accused of ordering the creation of human skin lampshades and collecting prisoners' tattoos as souvenirs. Her trial shed light on the atrocities committed within the concentration camps and exposed the depravity of those involved. The Nuremberg trials were not without controversy and challenges. One contentious issue was the application of retroactive law, as the crimes committed by the defendants were not technically illegal under existing international law at the time they were committed. This raised concerns about the fairness of the trials and the potential for abuse of judicial power. However, the establishment of the principles of crimes against humanity and the recognition of universal human rights ultimately justified the retroactive application of law in this unique context. It is important to remember that the Nuremberg trials were not just about bringing the perpetrators to justice, they also provided an opportunity for the victims to have their voices heard. Survivors of the Holocaust were given the chance to share their stories and seek solace in the fact that the world was finally acknowledging their suffering. The trials served as a crucial step towards healing and reconciliation for both individuals and nations affected by the horrors of World War II. As we delve deeper into the untold stories of the Nuremberg trials, we begin to appreciate the significance of these trials in shaping the course of international justice. From the unprecedented use of film as evidence to the establishment of crimes against humanity, These trials brought forth a new era of accountability and set the stage for future prosecutions of war crimes. The untold stories shed light on the lesser-known aspects of these historic trials, reminding us of the importance of remembering and learning from the past to ensure a brighter future.